Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into patch request. Using patch request, you can partially update any booking details. Okay. In previous video, we looked at put request. Put request is usually used in updating all the fields, and patch is just for the partial field updates. Okay. Just the mm, that's the only difference in this type of request. Okay, so let's go back to the documentation we have. We will use the partial update booking. Okay, and it's a patch request. Let's pick this up. Okay, and add a new request here. Let's name this as patch partial. Keep this name. Yeah, change the method type as patch. Let's put this. Okay. And then I'm going to give the body. Let's take this body. We are just going to update the first name and the last name. So let's listen. Okay. And we need to specify the authorization also, but let's see what happens when you click on send. Okay, forbidden. We are getting forbidden. So we need to pass the authorization with this. Okay, let's make use of this. Click on authorization, select base off. Okay, it will pick from the previous record which we have used. Okay, just save it, click on send. Okay, you were able to update the name. Okay, which you have specified in the in the body. Let's say Jack. Okay, so it has changed to Jack. Okay, note that it is just to update the partial records. We are just updating the first name and last name, not all the details here. Okay, thanks for watching this video.